Last spring, my wrists were on fire. I spent an entire weekend battling overgrown oak branches with manual shears, ending up with blisters and an unfinished yard. I knew I needed electric pruning shears, but buying one was a nightmare. Too many weak motors, dying batteries, and jammed blades on the market. Finding the right balance of power and endurance felt impossible. That's why I spent weeks testing the top models out there to find out which ones actually save your hands. Stick around because the number one spot completely changed how I maintain my garden. Seven, MIMYTH MBBT24016. When I first ordered this model, I was drawn to the highly affordable price tag and the bright orange casing that promised a robust gardening companion. Pulling it out of the box, it felt relatively lightweight in my hand, which initially seemed like a positive trait for long days in the yard. I was eager to see if this budget-friendly option could actually hold its own against the big players. On paper, the MIMYTH boasts a standard cordless setup and claims to tackle basic pruning tasks with its included steel blades. It comes with everything you need to get started, including a battery and charger, which is undeniably convenient for a beginner who doesn't want to invest heavily in a new battery ecosystem. The grip is designed to be ergonomic, featuring a textured handle that aims to prevent slipping when your hands get sweaty during intense outdoor work. However, taking it into the yard revealed a completely different story. I tested it on some moderately thick maple branches, and the motor immediately began to struggle, emitting a high-pitched whine that did not inspire confidence. The blades, while sharp out of the box, have a serious tendency to jam halfway through a cut if the wood is even slightly denser than average. It requires you to awkwardly pull the tool free, completely defeating the purpose of an automatic, effort-saving shear. Furthermore, the battery life is incredibly disappointing for any serious yard work. After barely 30 minutes of continuous use, the power output dropped significantly, leaving me with a tool that essentially chewed on the branches rather than slicing them cleanly. 6. MODOFO Electric Pruning Shears. Out of the package, this unit feels like a slight step up in terms of aesthetic design, sporting a sleek profile that looks quite modern. I had higher hopes for this one, as the brand has made some bold claims about their motor efficiency and cutting speed. It certainly looks the part of a heavy-duty tool, and the initial grip felt a bit more substantial in the hand compared to our previous contender. This shear features a brushless motor, which is usually a great sign for longevity and power transfer, and it utilizes SK 5 high-carbon steel blades that are notoriously sharp. It typically ships with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you the theoretical ability to swap them out and keep working without a lengthy charging intermission. MODOFO engineered this model to cut branches up to 1 inch in diameter, aiming to cover the majority of standard backyard pruning needs. Despite these promising specifications, the real-world application left me quite frustrated. When I took it to my backyard to trim down some thick rose bushes, I immediately noticed a frustrating lag between pulling the trigger and the blades actually closing. This delay makes precision work incredibly difficult, and when you're trying to navigate through thorny bushes, you want a tool that responds instantly. Additionally, the safety switch is placed in a highly awkward position, forcing you to contort your thumb in a way that causes cramping after just a few cuts. The physical balance of the tool is also poorly executed, making it very top-heavy. Because all the weight sits right behind the cutting jaw, my wrist was forced to compensate, leading to intense fatigue long before the first battery even died. 5. BROVR BEV WG330. As soon as I took this tool out of its sturdy carrying case, I could feel a massive leap in build quality. The plastic housing felt dense and durable, and the entire unit had a reassuring weight to it without feeling unnecessarily cumbersome. It was immediately clear that BROVR designed this shear with a serious weekend warrior in mind, stepping away from the cheap feel of the lower-ranked models. This tool is equipped with a highly efficient brushless motor and boasts an impressive 1.2-inch cutting diameter, easily handling thicker limbs that would choke lesser machines. It features premium SK5 high-carbon steel blades that are coated to resist sap buildup and rust. One of the standout features is the built-in LCD display located at the base of the handle, which gives you real-time information on your remaining battery percentage and the total number of cuts you've made during your session. Testing the BROVR was a breath of fresh air after my previous struggles. I spent an afternoon cutting back a large, overgrown cherry tree, and the shears sliced through the hardwood with satisfying ease. The trigger response here is instantaneous, snapping the blades shut powerfully and reopening them just as fast, which allowed me to get into a great rhythm. Because the cuts were so clean and effortless, the plant healing process is much faster, reducing the risk of disease for the trees. Battery life is another area where this model shines. A single charge comfortably lasted me through a solid 2 hours of near-constant pruning, and having the LCD screen completely eliminated battery anxiety. Fear. This shear caught my attention because it is frequently praised for its versatility and extreme durability in tough outdoor conditions. Unboxing this unit, you are greeted with a beautifully engineered piece of equipment featuring a highly comfortable, non-slip silicone grip that immediately feels natural to hold. I was genuinely excited to put this one to the test, especially given its reputation for easily managing high-volume pruning tasks. The GEVEELIFE features a powerhouse brushless motor and a wide 1.2-inch cutting capacity that easily handles everything from soft flower stems to dense, woody shrubs. The SK5 blades are precision ground and incredibly thick, ensuring they won't warp or bend even when tackling stubborn knots in the wood. It also features a fantastic intelligent safety mode that requires a quick double pull of the trigger to activate the blades, preventing accidental cuts when the tool is just sitting in your hand. During my testing in a dense, neglected orchard, this tool performed beautifully. I was cutting through thick apple tree suckers and tough vines, and it never bogged down or hesitated. The motor operates incredibly smoothly, producing very little vibration, which is a massive relief for your joints over a long afternoon. The cycle time, the speed at which the blade opens and closes, is remarkably fast, allowing you to move from branch to branch with incredible speed. What really impressed me was how long the batteries lasted. The power delivery is so efficient that a single battery easily pushed past the 2.5-hour mark of heavy use. I also loved how easy it was to maintain. The blade tension is simple to adjust with the included tools, keeping the cuts razor sharp over time. The GEVEELIFE GES is a fantastic, highly capable shear that makes massive landscaping chores feel like a walk in the park. 3. MODOFO Upgraded Electric Pruning Shears. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the MODOFO Upgraded Electric Pruning Shears. Remember how I criticized their base model earlier? Well, MODOFO clearly listened to user feedback because this upgraded version is a completely different beast. When I held this new model, the balance was instantly noticeably better, and the materials felt distinctly premium. It's always refreshing to see a brand completely overhaul a tool and get it right, and this upgraded version absolutely nails it. This powerhouse features a massive upgrade to its brushless motor, pushing out significantly more torque than its predecessor, and expands the cutting diameter to easily handle branches over 1.2 inches thick. The SK5 blades have been redesigned with a sharper cutting angle and a better non-stick coating, allowing them to glide through greenwood and drywood alike. It also comes with 2 high-capacity batteries that have clearly been optimized for long-duration, heavy-duty landscaping projects. Putting this to the test was honestly a lot of fun. I intentionally went after some deeply dried-out oak branches, the kind that normally require a handsaw, and this upgraded MODOFO sheared right through them with a loud, satisfying snap. The frustrating trigger lag from the older model is completely gone. This trigger is incredibly sensitive and responds to your micro movements instantly. The awkwardly placed safety button has also been fixed, making it intuitive and seamless to operate without constantly shifting your grip. The endurance of this tool is staggering. I used both batteries over the course of a massive spring yard cleanup, and I actually ran out of energy before the second battery did. Even after hours of cutting, the motor stayed completely cool to the touch, proving that the internal heat dissipation is top-notch. Two, PAOWAFOL P11. Just missing the top spot is the incredible PAOWAFOL P11, landing at number 2. If you're looking for a tool that crosses the line from consumer grade to professional landscaping equipment, this is it. Opening the hardshell carrying case, I was immediately struck by the aggressive, industrial design and the sheer quality of the components. This tool feels like it was built to survive a war zone, and I could tell right away that it was going to be an absolute joy to test in the field. The PAOWAFOL P11 features a staggering 1.57-inch cutting diameter, powered by one of the strongest brushless motors I have ever seen in a handheld pruner. But its absolute best feature is the progressive cutting control. Unlike cheaper models where the blade just snaps fully shut when you pull the trigger, the blade on the P11 precisely follows the exact position of your finger. If you pull the trigger halfway, the blade closes halfway, giving you unparalleled manual control over delicate cuts. Taking this out to maintain some delicate fruit trees and thick perimeter hedges was an absolute revelation. The progressive trigger allowed me to easily navigate through tight clusters of branches, snipping tiny stems with pinpoint accuracy, and then immediately turning around to chop down a massive 1.5-inch thick limb without changing tools. The SK5 high-carbon blades are incredibly thick and remain razor-sharp, delivering cuts so smooth they look like they were sanded down. Battery performance is just as phenomenal, with intelligent power management that squeezes every ounce of juice out of the lithium-ion cells. The tool is perfectly balanced, making its slightly heavier weight feel completely non-existent when actually in use. It is rugged, incredibly precise, and relentlessly powerful. 1. Worx WG330. Finally, we arrive at the undisputed champion, the #1 spot, the Worx WG330 Nitro. Whenever I test tools from the Worx Nitro series, I have high expectations, but this pruning shear absolutely blew me away. From the moment you pick it up, you can feel the pinnacle of ergonomic design and engineering. It is incredibly sleek, surprisingly lightweight, and constructed with high-grade materials that scream premium quality. I knew within 10 minutes of testing that this was the best electric shear on the market. The WG330 operates on the Worx Power Share ecosystem, meaning if you own any other 20V Worx tools, you already have backup batteries ready to go. It features a highly advanced, high-efficiency brushless motor and premium titanium-coated SK5 blades, which offer unbelievable resistance to wear and sap buildup. It boasts a massive 1-inch cutting capacity and features a dual-action control switch that maximizes user safety without ever getting in the way of your workflow. Testing the Worx WG330 was an absolute dream. It slices through branches so fast and with so little effort that it almost feels like cheating. The cycle time is lightning fast, allowing me to trim massive sections of my yard in a fraction of the time it would normally take. The titanium blades glide through thick, fibrous wood flawlessly, leaving perfectly clean cuts that promote incredibly healthy plant growth. The balance is so flawless that I experienced absolutely zero hand, wrist, or forearm fatigue, even after 3 straight hours of work. What truly solidifies the Worx WG330 as the #1 choice is the reliability and the ecosystem. The battery life is spectacular, and the motor runs whisper quiet while delivering dominating power. You aren't just buying a pruning shear. You are buying into a proven system backed by an incredible warranty and legendary customer support.